Yo, what's up guys, it's Technology back here, and today in this video I'll be showing you how can you get this cool looking widget on your desktop. We will be doing this through a third-party application, and trust me, that application barely uses any of your system resources. So even if it's working in the background, your system performance won't be impacted at all. So if you are a person who wants their desktop to look cool, have this transparent taskbar, clean desktop with bare number of icons right there, then this clock will look really good on your wallpaper. So let's proceed how to go with it. So just head over to your browser and search for Rainmeter. The first website that pops up, simply head over and download. Once downloaded, open the setup file and just get it installed. Now the next step is to get that clock skin. So just go to a new tab and search for visual skins. Head over to the first website that says visualskins.com, and there you will find some of the popular Rainmeter skins. So yes, we are going to work with this one that says Mond. So just click on it, scroll to the bottom of the page and just press the download button. Alright, there you are good to go. Just close the window and now just head over and launch Rainmeter, and then just open up Rainmeter through this little icon. Now just head over to the location where you have downloaded the skin file. Simply double click and press install. Okay, you are good to go. This pop-up should come up automatically. Just give it the settings, the temperature, the clock settings, and just press close settings. And okay, there you are good to go. Now you have this thing right here, so you can just drag it and manually adjust it. On a white background, it's not suiting at all. So I'll just switch it to this one. It's dark, so this white theme will look good on it. So just look carefully, you have your day, date and time, and here you have your seeker for the music. So yes, you can of course use it in case you are playing music from some offline files. And you also have this pop-up for the recycle bin. So just head over to Rainmeter. We don't want these things to be here. So just get to this drop-down menu, head over to recycle bin and just press unload. Then you have your player, so just head over to player and just choose unload. Alright, there you are good to go. Just close it off. Just get a rough estimate that it's at the center of your screen. You can't make it automatic. So just place it anywhere, right click, go to settings and just allow click through. Okay, so now you can click through this thing and it's not at all draggable anymore. Now if you want to make changes to it, you'll have to head over to Rainmeter and then manually make adjustments to it. So just head over to the clock thing and then just turn off click through. Now you can drag it out. If you turn off draggable, you won't be able to drag it anymore. So yes, just get these things fixed. You can also adjust the coordinates from this place manually. You can just type in the numbers and it will get it done for you. So just get your screen resolution, divide it into half and then just manually get it done here. So that's it. Through this method, you can get the Rainmeter installed and get this cool widget on your desktop. In case you have lots of desktop icons in here, I'll recommend you to pin them all to your start and get a clean app drawer. Otherwise, what you can do is simply right click, go to view and just turn off show desktop icons. With that, the desktop icons are gone. It's just that they are not visible at the moment. If you need them, simply right click, go to view and show desktop icons. So it's recommended that you get it attached to the start menu itself. So that's all for this video. Many people asked me in my previous taskbar video to get a desktop customization video up. I'll try to add up some more features and make another dedicated video for desktop customization really soon. So till then, stay subscribed. Thanks for watching.